And normally, meron din kami mga camps na ginagawa ng ganito. Our camps then, hindi ganito ka-exciting kasi wala kaming Brother Jay who will be leading praise and worship. Palakpakan muna natin ang Spirit po ng Panginoon. Leading ng ating kapatid na to. Okay. Wala kaming ganyan. Dati nung gitara lang kami. Tapos, this is the day that the Lord has made. Halos gano'n lang kami. Wala kaming talon-talunan. Medyo conservative pa. Pero, I tell you, yung mga ginagawa ng mga camps like this, I think we had better times then. Kasi since, alam mo yung my high, diba, may bundok, we go out of town. Pumupunta kami sa bundok, doon kami nag-overnight. Okay? Tapos nagkakaroon kami ng bonfire. At one time, yung merong isang puno ng nyog, okay? Merong tali, and then sa gitna namin, may mga kahoy. And then, napaka-dramatic. So bago magsimula yung aming gabing yun, okay? Mag-iipon-ipon kami, wala kaming cellphone, so walang light. Magto-torch pa rin kami sa buong bayan. Okay? And then, pagdating namin dun sa camp place namin, super dilim. Lahat ng torch namin papatayin. And then, pag kumpleto na kami, and then we have already formed the circle, makikita ninyo. Just try to imagine how dramatic and how beautiful it is. No? So dark, so dark. As in, wala kang makikita ilaw kahit na isa, kundi yung liwanag lang ng mga bituin. And then, magpe-pray kami, bigla na lang merong bubulaga sa amin, isang apoy, habang nagpe-pray kami. From the top ng isang puno ng nyog, babagsak dyan, and then, kaboom! Bigla magkakaroon ng liwanag. You know, every time I flash my memory with that, parang nakikita ko how wonderful God is really. Is God really amazing? Yes! Is Jesus amazing? Yes! Imagine, in one word, okay, sinabi niya, let there be light. Who can do that? Do you know of anyone who can create light just by saying it? Can you create something just by saying it? What's your name? Paul. Ilan taon ka? 15. Sa 15 years mo, may na-create ka na ba just by saying something? You're wrong. I will tell you. How about dito na? How old are you now? 13? Yeah. Out of your 13 years, meron ka na ba na-create out of the word? You're wrong. Sometimes through our words, we create hate. You understand me? Diba? Murahin mo siya. What will you do? You will be creating what? War. Sino rito may boyfriend, girlfriend? May girlfriend ka? Hindi ka marunong ligaw? Marunong? Halika nga, dito ka nga. Ano lang ito sa ko lang? Halika. May boyfriend ka? Wala, okay. Halika. Magkakilala na kayo? Hindi pa. So, can you ask her name? Lagi kayo dito kasi may same mind ko. Tanungin mo nga siya kung ano pangalan niya.
Ano pangalan?
Faye. Faye Gears.
Siya daw si Faye. Ano siya ang pangalan niya?
Anong pangalan mo?
Eman.
Elman. Okay. Tanungin mo nga siya, pwede ba kita maging kaibigan?
Pwede mo ba maging kaibigan?
Pwede naman.
Listen, what these guys just created today, just by saying it, is what? Friendship. Can you just, I don't know, you make it Isn't that amazing? Palakpakan na natin si Faye at si Edwin. Sometimes we're too ignorant or we're too naive or we're too simple that we don't understand that by saying something, we create a lot of things. That's why we should watch our mouth. Kinakailangan, pag tayo nagsasalita, iingatan natin kung ano sasabihin natin simply because things are created out of nothing. And that's the reason kung bakit tayo nandito ngayon. God has spoken to us. I hope my presentation will be ano ha? Meron na? Wala daw. I will be presenting to you a message today. I hope I will be very, very clear with my message. And sana pag meron kayong tanong, try to ask. Remember, pwede yung tanongin si Iron Man. Okay? Kilala niyo si Iron Man? Hindi mo sinasabing kamukha ko siya. Siya nagsabi, hawig daw kami. Okay? Nag-email siya sa akin, pero hindi ko natatanggi yun kasi mahirap naman. Okay? But please, kayo nagchichismisa na kayo ngayon. Diba? I just spoke. And then, I said something, and then it interested you. Now, allow me to introduce to you our God. If you, by the way, before I introduce our God to you, because He will be the one to introduce Himself to us. Sino rito nakakakilala sa ating Diyos? Okay, what's your name? Forgive me, I don't know your name. Francis. I met Francis a while ago. Francis, can you stand up and introduce God in one word? Savior. Oh, who else did raise yung kanilang kamay? Meron ka nagtaas pa? Ikaw, nagtaas ka ng kamay. Kaya lang kasama sa buhok. Sige, tayo ka kapatid. Yes, you. Introduce God today.
God is created.